Root canals are a standard treatment that many will require at one point or another during their life. This procedure includes removing the affected pulp inside the tooth, then seal it off to avoid the spread of infection. But the price of root canals can vary dramatically based on where you reside. The video below, we'll look at the costs of a root canal across Europe as well as Turkey and see what the difference is. Europe is renowned for the high-quality healthcare services it offers. However, it does come with a high cost. The price for the cost of a root canal within Europe is usually between 300 to 1,000 euros, contingent upon the region and degree of difficulty involved in the procedure. As an example, in nations such as UK, Germany, and France, the cost for the procedure may be higher portion of the range due to the higher cost of living and the overhead charges for dental surgeries. In contrast, Turkey has become a sought-after location for dental tourism thanks to the affordable costs and top-quality services. The price of the procedure of a root canal Turkey is as low as 100 to 300 euros. It is an economical choice compared with European countries. This is due in part to Turkey's lower costs of living and the labor costs in Turkey and permits dentists to provide competitive rates without degrading high quality. Apart from the price element, the quality of treatment is another essential factor when it comes to considering root canal procedures across Europe as well as Turkey. European countries are well known for their strict rules as well as high-quality care and can offer patients assurance that they're getting top-quality treatments. This level of medical care is expensive, which is not for everyone to be able to afford it. In contrast, Turkey may not have the popularity of European countries with regards to medical care, but the quality of healthcare provided within Turkish dental clinics is extremely good. The majority of dentists working in Turkey were educated as well as training through Europe or in the US, as well as employing advanced techniques and technologies in order to give patients the best quality of care. Indeed, the majority of patients who've been to Turkey for treatment at a dentist were content with the dental care received. Another aspect to be considered when comparing prices for root canals between Europe as well as Turkey is the convenience of getting care. In Europe, it is possible for patients to wait weeks or months before scheduling an appointment to undergo the procedure, particularly when there is a huge demand for dental treatments. Contrary to this, Turkey has a more flexible schedule and is able to accommodate those who require treatment with shorter wait duration, resulting in the ideal option to those in need of urgent care. If we compare costs for root canals between Europe as well as Turkey, it's clear that Turkey is a cheaper choice without having to sacrifice high quality. If you're trying to lower the cost of dental care without sacrifice, are advised to travel to Turkey to get their root canal procedures. Due to its low-cost quality care as well as easy access to care, Turkey has become a very popular place to visit for dental treatment and can be a good choice for patients looking for affordable dentistry.